Hello, good morning, dear blooming children. It is me, Suresh Bhardwaj, ex-TGT English, Navodaya Vidyalaya. I am here before you to make you learn how to structure sentences on the basis of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. हिंदी एग्जाम्पल हिंदी सेंटेंस हैज बीन रिटन हियर. मैं एक गाना गा रहा था. मैं एक गाना गा रहा था. गा रहा था. एक्शन ये कार्य जारी. पास्ट में कास्ट कार्य गाने का काम जारी है. मैं सब्जेक्ट गाना ऑब्जेक्ट गा रहा था. वर्ब helping verb, principal verb. Okay. Action taking place in the past, and that action is continued. Action is into continuation, and that is of past, known as past continuous tense. Generalization of this tense, general rules of this tense is that subject followed by was, were, principal verb, ing, present participle, then object, then other rest of the parts of speech. For your singular subject, he, she, it was to be used followed by principal verb ing. Plural subject for your plural subject. For your we, you, they, were, followed by principal verb ing. It is general rule. And next I would like to tell you, for your first personal pronoun, I, was to be used. For your second personal pronoun, you, were to be used. And for third personal pronoun, singular subject, he, she, it, was to be used. And for your plural subject, we, they, were to be used. Followed by verb ing, present participle. My subject here, I was, followed by verb ing, present participle. My subject here, I was, helping verb, singing, sing, participle, present participle, singing. I was singing a song, object. I was singing a song. तुम खाना खा रहे थे. खाना खा रहे थे. Action of eating taking place in the past. Okay, that action is into continuation. You followed by were. You were eating food. Subject, helping verb, eating, principal verb, and food, object. You were eating food. Likely so many other sentences may be framed. Action, suppose boy playing. The boy, subject here was. The boy was playing kho-kho. The students, plural subject, followed by verb and action, work, verb, learning, learning English. Object, the students were learning English. These are the affirmative sentences. And for your negative sentence, not, that is to be used just before principal verb. I was not singing principal verb, just before principal verb, not, that is to be used. I was not singing a song. You were eating food. You were not, just before principal verb, here not has been used. You are not eating food. Now, negative. negative sentences. And how to frame interrogative sentence using helping verb. Helping verb of this tense was were. Okay, was the boy. Here, the boy was playing Coco. Was the boy was to be taken out. Okay, was the boy. Rest portion remains the same. Was the boy playing Coco? Means क्या लड़का sorry was the boy playing cards? क्या बालक कार्ड्स खेल रहा था? क्यों? In Hindi, क्या और क्यों means to get yes or no response. In that case, was taken out. Was the boy playing cards? Likely, this is your affirmative sentence. Were to be taken out. Were the students learning English? Were the students learning English? Were taken out. Students क्या विद्यार्थी इंग्लिश सीख रहे थे? क्या या क्यों? In that case, was were to be taken out. For in Hindi, क्या और क्यों? In that case, to get yes no response, in that case, was were to be taken out before the structure and used to be past. Here, so many how to frame interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences using interrogative words. What, where, when, how, who, why. These are the interrogative words. Question words. Question words. A speech has been written here. Laila was merrily singing a song. लैला प्रसन्नचित होकर के एक गीत गा रही है इन हर किचन अपने किचन में एट 6 PM 6 बजे शाम को टू प्लीज खुश करने के लिए हर मूड अपना मूड ठीक करने के लिए खुश करने के लिए लैला आनंद पूर्वक वह किचन में 6 बजे गाना गा रही थी. ओके, दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट. This is now speech. On this speech, I would like to raise some of the questions, okay, using interrogative words. And you may frame so many interrogative sentences on this system, on this pattern. What, where, when, how, who, why, etc. to be used first, followed by helping verb. And the remaining portion you may use. What was Laila singing? What means क्या means object. Object song. What was Laila singing? Answer to this question, song. Laila was where? Followed by helping verb. Then subject, she, Laila, and then verb, ing. Where was she singing? वह कहाँ गा रही थी? Means place. Where refers to place, for place, where to be used. She was singing a song in her kitchen. In her kitchen. When means कब. Time. It refers to time. Speaker wants to know time. When was she singing? Time. At 6 PM. She was singing a song at 6 PM. How was where to be taken out? Okay. How was she singing? How means a method, a way. How कैसे वह गीत गा रही थी? Merrily, adverb here. Merrily. She was singing song merrily. Who was singing a song? Speaker wants to know person. Who is person? Laila. Laila was singing a song Why was she singing? Why means the reason. Speaker wants to know the reason. Reason of action. Action that is singing. The why was she singing? To please her mood. To please her mood. Here is now a statement. On this statement, okay, according to generalization, now you may frame so many interrogative sentences. Okay, Lala, subject, helping verb, was helping verb, merely adverb, singing, present participle, here a article, song, object, in, preposition, her, a pronoun, kitchen, noun, and at preposition, to please, infinitive, pronoun, her pronoun, mood, noun. So, in this way, you may frame so many other sentences on this pattern. Dear beloved children, now please do like, share and subscribe and try to watch the video fully to learn fully, to learn more and more. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you all.